Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. In last class we have completed this lesson and I hope you have understood this lesson. So today we will do some book work of this lesson. We will underline some hard words. Here first word is tower. Underline this word tower. Then second, satisfactory. Third, brilliant. Fourth, announced. Next, reward. Uncover. Mystery. Challenge. Cocoa. Yawn. Rug. Tunnel, vanished, twig. Now come to next page. Here, this page. Come to next page. Here. Here, pretended, whispered, then leading. Here. Leading, Annabelle, then here appeared, underneath, here pretended, whispered, Annabelle, underneath, leading, appeared. Then turn your page. Come to next page. In next page, here sneak, and here soul. These words are your hard words. Write these hard words. Learn and write these hard words. Okay, write these hard words in your English 2 notebook. Now we will do some exercise. This one, exercise work. Here, B letter, answer this question. We will do letter. Come to D letter. The meanings of some words from the story are given below. Find the words. A tall, narrow building. It means tower. Here T is written there. You just write OWE, tower. Second, a prize given for doing something special. Reward, REWARD, reward. Now turn your page. Come to next page. Here next, third number, a test of strength, skill or ability. It is challenge. Fourth, a piece of thick cloth that covers part of a floor, rug. A small, very thin stem of wood that grows from a branch on a tree. It is twig, TWIG, twig. Then here sixth, painful because of too much exercise. Here sore. Okay, now E letter, pick out the words that are used to show number or quantity. This one, this E letter is your homework. Okay, you just circle the words which show the number or quantity in your book here. Now come to F letter. Here complete each sentences using the ed form of the correct action words from the box. One has been done for you. Here words are given here. You just choose a correct word and add D or ed to fill this blank. Here first one is completed here. The princesses dash all night, danced. Then second, the door of the tower was dash every day. Here option is given here, lock. but we will add here ed, so it will become logged. Then in same way, third, the king dash a reward announced. Fourth, a magician dash to take up the challenge decided. Ralph dash the mystery solved. The king dash Ralph was the winner. King named Ralph was the winner. This all things you have to do in your book, okay, but hard words you have to write in your notebook. Now I'm going to give you some word meanings here. Here word meanings are tower, high narrow building, reward, prize, challenge, a test of strength, rug, carpet, sword, wound. Here twig, small branch of tree. Okay, now we will do some question answer. Here, answer these questions. What was the mystery that no one could solve? The mystery that no one could solve was that how the shoes were becoming worn out every morning when the princesses slept in a tower that was locked at night. Next question, what did the king do in order to solve the mystery? The king announced a reward for the person who solved the mystery of the shoes. Next question is, who was Ralph? Ralph was a magician. Okay. Now next question is question number 4. What did the princesses do when Ralph pretended to fall asleep? The princesses put on their best dresses and new shoes and went down a secret trap doors. Fifth number, how has Ralph able to follow the princesses to the secret place? Ralph was able to follow the princesses to the secret place by being invisible. Here all this question answer, hard works, word meaning you have to learn, and then you have to write in your English 2 notebook. Thank you.